How to reverse your Constructor door lock handles. Take your door hardware out of the package and separate handles. When your handles are separated, take the handle and twist so the hole is aligned with the inside rail. Use the provided metal pin or paper clip to press the rail inside the hole. Separating the handle from the base, make sure the cylinder remains intact, as demonstrated. Repeat the previous steps with the other side, making certain the cylinder remains intact. Simply switch to handles with the opposite bases. Align handle hole with base, as demonstrated, then snap firmly onto base. Repeat the steps with the opposite side by snapping handle in place. You now have successfully reversed your handles. You are ready to install the door locks.